Finding the courage to change. This too shall pass. When I feel very stuck in a negative situation, I know that my negative emotions are running the show. My more primitive monkey brain believes that my very survival is threatened. That little monkey is screeching at me to do something. Sometimes there's nothing to do but wait. If there's nothing to be done, then I feel a lot of stress and pressure to take an action anyway. I may waste hours trying to figure out how to manipulate the situation so that I feel better. At these times, I need a different perspective. I usually turn to nature. Even during bad weather, the sun always rises. The storm will blow over. The sun will eventually shine on me again. Even during the snows of winter, I know that spring will eventually come again. When I can remember sunrise is coming, I can endure the difficult night. Walking outside, appreciating the current season, helps me to appreciate blessings hidden in my personal season of difficulty. My most difficult times have always been a springboard to something better. I just didn't see it at the time. When I'm struggling with fear and doubt, my first job is to gently soothe myself like I would soothe a little child. I can remember that things are always changing. Then my hope becomes stronger than my fear. When I remember to look for the good in the situation, my faith increases. My connection to my higher power strengthens. This too shall pass.